Okay.
But I think the real innovation is how companies are taking on board this phenomenal data and analytical capability to really transform how we do business. And so you mentioned Tesla. I think Tesla is really quite remarkable because they have been able to change almost everything about being a car company. And part of it was easier because they were all electric, which simplified the job a little bit, but they changed they changed the whole role with dealerships. And in terms of the sort of break and fix model of service, a lot of the repairs that they do are online, and you don't even know it's happening. And they can keep improving their car even after it's been produced. And so there's been a lot of innovation in Tesla, and I think they realized that the battery was a critical constraint. It was kind of like a key input. And so rather than just say, oh, I can only do what I can do with the established battery producers, they said, okay, that's so strategic to us, we got to get into that business. So I think I would classify them as one of the true innovators. They're